Hello and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating our replacement button for keyless go door handles on some Mercedes-Benz models. This item is designed to be a direct replacement for the original, which are often prone to deterioration and are often completely missing from the handle. Please note, this repair can be carried out with the handle still on the car. The handle will often look like this, with the center part missing and just the remnants of the outside left in place. This can usually just be pulled out, as demonstrated. The next stage of the process is to remove any leftover material or residue from the groove. This can be done using a small flathead screwdriver or a small Stanley knife. The next stage of the process is to cover up the area around the button with masking tape. Once the surrounding area is masked, it is now time to use a very strong glue to glue in the button. Make sure to glue inside the groove that has been cleaned out. Once the glue is in place, quickly insert the button and press down on all edges to make sure that it sticks in firmly. And now the installation is complete, with the glue set and the button in place. Again, bear in mind that this installation can be done with the handle still in situ on the vehicle. There is no need to remove the entire handle. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments or would like any advice or tips, you can email us at sales@x8r.co.uk. Alternatively, you can call us on 01843 446643. Thank you.